Hi all, Rene here. I just wanted to drop in real quick. I just got a shipment from close to my heart and I thought I'd open it with you. This is the Craft with Heart Scrapbooking subscription kit. This is September through December, so fourth quarter. And we'll just go ahead. This box is gymongous. Like, I'll just show you. Here's my regular ruler that I always use. And that's 12 inches right there. This box is huge. I've never seen one this big. So let's get started. So I will open up the box and just pull everything out. And here's my 30 free prints from Persnickety. If you buy the year's subscription, you get 30 free prints with every shipment. And you get shipments 3 times a year, so that's 90 free pictures from Persnickety. And their photographs are awesome. So I'll put that aside and order some prints. And then you get a little card every shipment. Happiness never grows old. That is so pretty. I really like that. And put that aside, and I'll use that for some sort of crafting. Just a packing slip, which we don't need. Okay, so here is September. So we'll just take a quick look-see. Now, one thing about this is now that our catalogs are every 2 months, let me put this aside. Now that our catalogs are every 2 months, your scrapbooking kit is going to give you a sneak peek at the following 2 months, because this is September, October, which we already know those papers and colors. But then we also have November, December, which are going to be colors and papers that are related to the next catalog, which even as consultants we haven't seen yet. So we'll just go ahead, yank this one out. Of course, it comes with your photo placeholders that you need. It comes with your page protectors. Here's a sticker sheet. I love the stickers. I think I've said that before. So here are our layouts. So it does 4 pages, 2-page layouts. I love that Celebrate. That was the same font I think we used at a convention. So this might be good for some extra convention photos that I have. And some die cuts. Oh, I love that. More die cuts. And then here are the papers. Very nice. Yep, love those colors. Those are those are colors and paper that are very reminiscent of Every Little Thing, which is the paper for this month. And I'll be doing some layouts and some cards with that set here shortly for you. So we'll put that aside. Then here is, so that was September. Let's do October. So I'm guessing that this will be the paper that is similar to Hawthorne. And this one looks like it has some, some pre-cut pieces. Love that color. Let's see what our pages are gonna look like. Well, those are nice. I'll probably change out this All-Star for something else, but you know, you can do that. You can make any changes you want with your kits. Thankful Today and Enjoy the View. I like that a lot. I love that compass. I wonder if that's a sticker or if it's a die cut. Let's see. We got our placeholders. It's a die cut. There it is right there. So I'll probably, like I said, I'll probably skip and not use this All-Star one. Oh, I love that. Love that plaid. And oh, these are the stickers. Look at how many stickers. There's a 12 by 12 sheet of stickers. That's nice. I love the stickers. Oh, these are nice. I love this. And then the second layout, very nice. So that is, I better put these the right way so I can find them again. And I'll probably be putting these together for you and showing them like the last week of the month. We'll see if I need to fill in some other days. I'll put it in there, but I will show it to you every month I'll put together. So that's October. Okay, so now we get a sneak peek at what's coming up in November and December. So let's pull this out. And ooh, I like, this is nice too. Very nice. So you get your photo placeholders. Here's another 12 by 12 sticker sheet. Oh, I love these stickers. And some die cuts. These are really thick. Oh, it's It's two sheets of die. Oh no, it's not. One sheet of die cuts. That's good. Oh, I love these colors. I love Christmas colors with black backgrounds. I just think that looks so nice. And then all the trees. I love this with some, I don't know if you can see it very well, but there's like some ink splotches. I love that. And then we've got some pre-cut, probably photo mats and journaling mats, which those are always nice to, I love the pre-cut ones. They always are cut so nice and straight. And so that is November. And then let's take a look at December. So I'll be really excited to see the Christmas papers. I will have a special for you. Let's see, depending on when I put this up. I'll try to put this up right away. So next week, I will have a special that I might be able to tell you a little bit of something about. It's for Halloween, which is coming really fast. Let's get this out. Looks like it's another Christmas layout. Oh, you can never have enough Christmas layouts. Love these. Oh, there's a lot of pieces with this one. Okay, so let's see what these look like. Oh, I see gingham. I love gingham. Oh, very nice. Look at the houndstooth and the gingham. Really nice. And again, using the Christmas colors with the black accents. So here are those two papers. Oh, love that. Those two papers. Again, you've got your photo placeholders, all of your pre-cuts. This is your stickers. Oh, I'm so glad these aren't die cuts to have to trim out all those little fronds. Thank goodness. Although if I had my way, everything would be a sticker. Oh, look, it's 2 sheets of stickers. Oh my gosh, it is Christmas. 2 sheets of stickers. And look at that. That's all the die cuts there are. Oh, I am so happy. You know, truthfully, if there were never die cuts and they were all stickers, that would be so awesome. Because even if I didn't want to use them as stickers, I could use my handy dandy little powder guy and turn them into what's now a die cut. So those are the 4 that you get in this quarter, or sorry, this 4-month. I always want to call them quarters, and someone pointed out that I keep doing that, and I'm so sorry I keep doing that. And let me turn this one around so you can see the paper, so you can see what it looks like. So these are available. You can go on my website. I'll have a link below. And when you sign up for the subscription, you can do a 1-month subscription, you can do a 4-month subscription, or you can do a yearly subscription. Now with the yearly subscription, you get free shipping. It still comes 3 times a year, every 4 months, but you save yourself because the shipping is $7.95. So let me do some quick math. That's almost $24 in shipping that you save. So that's always nice. Plus you get a discount, plus you get the free prints from Persnickety. You don't get those with the 4-month or the monthly, only with the 1 year. So if you have any questions, just leave me a comment down below. And I hope you're having a great weekend. And I will be back next week with some more fun for you. Take care. Bye-bye.